And today I'm gonna give you my top three favorite AI text to image generators. All right. Now I go by c-trel. I'm a hip hop artist. All right. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a creative. I'm a DJ, and I produce beats now. All right. So on my YouTube channel, I have concerts, tutorials on AI, Webull, Robinhood, um, music distribution companies. What I'm saying, a whole bunch of stuff on my YouTube. Whip it with c-trel, that's in the kitchen with c-trel. You know what I'm saying? A whole bunch of different things, music videos on my YouTube. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel, check it out, alright? If you like this video, I will ask for you to like it, share it, leave a comment, and without further ado, let's get into it, alright? So we're going to start with number one, on the phone, alright? All right, we're going to start on the phone. We're going to go to the App Store. We're going to go to search and we're going to type in Wonder. Search is going to be the first one. Wonder AI art generator. Once you download it, hit open. All right, you can upgrade to Pro, but you don't have to, so hit the X in the top left corner. All right, here you will enter a prompt, anything, any detail, add your dreams. All right, after you enter your prompt, you're going to choose your aspect ratio. So we're going to leave it 1:1, but you can do portrait, which is 2:3, or landscape, which is 3:2. Select your style. These are styles of the image that is going to be generated. All right, they have novelist, pen and ink, magic, oil painting, authentic, studio lighting, and a bunch more that you can choose from. All right. So for this example, we are going to put a dog with a money chain on his neck in a swimming pool. And we're going to want this to be studio lighting. So once you put your prompt, select aspect ratio, and select your style, you're going to watch an ad by hitting create watch an ad. Alright, so watch the ad, hit the X. Alright, so there you have it. We have our AI generated art. We have one and we have two. Alright, so what you can do is erase an object inside the art. You can change the object or you can edit the prop totally. Alright, but what I am going to do is I like both of these. So I'm going to go in the top right corner and download it. Hit original, hit download, go to my second one, top right, original, download. And there you have it. That one is Wonder, okay? Now, we're going to move on to the computer, all right? This one, I would say, is better compared to Wonder because the art that it generates is way more detailed, all right? Now, with this one, you have to have a subscription. Now, when I first joined, it was free, but now you have to have a subscription. But I'm going to show you what they offer and what others are doing, all right? So this is called MidJourney, okay? Now what you're going to do is go to midjourney.com. You're going to go in the bottom right and hit join the beta. It's going to have you accept the invite through Discord. So you have to have a Discord account. All right, here it is. MidJourney on Discord. All right. The official server for MidJourney, a text-to-image AI where your imagination is the only limit. So what you're going to do on here is go down to get started right here on the left-hand side, okay? So it tells you exactly what to do in order to create the AI generated art. To create images, go to one of the newbie bot channels, which is down here, okay? You're going to type /image and then whatever you want. The bot will send you 4 images in 60 seconds. You can click number buttons underneath to get upscales or variations. All right, and they said have fun. So let's go into one of these newbie channels. And as you can see, here are examples of what people are doing. So this one says wide angle shot scene from the Netflix series The End of the Effing World. Soft light Kodak portrait 800 film SMC etc etc. And this is what they got. All right. Here goes another one. Modern circuit board background simplistic with color. All right. And there's a bunch more of examples on here. What you would do if you wanted to do your own, down here in the message, you would hit /IM. Click on that image, leave your cursor in the prompt box, and then you will type in anything you want and hit return or enter. All right. And that right there is MidJourney. All right. When I was a free subscriber, I used to love it. They create wonderful art. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like they are probably one of the best AI generators out there. But they're one of my top 3 favorites. All right. Now, last but certainly not least, we are going to go to, I believe this is called Crayaion or Crayaion or Crayaion. We're going to call it Crayaion. All right. So this is Crayaion.com. This is a free online AI image generator from text. All right. So right here, you can select art, drawing, photo, or none. We're going to select photo. Okay. What do you want to generate? We're going to want to generate a frog jumping over a bus in the city. And we're going to hit draw. We're going to scroll down and we're going to wait for the results to come. These are just ads. You don't have to do anything but just let it render. All right. Now, I've showed you my top 3 favorite AI generators, text to image generators. All right. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment, share the video. All right. It ain't nothing but a thing to hit a button or leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? It's free. And if you found this valuable, you know what I'm saying, I would do it. So with that being said, let's go down to see what we have, all right? So we got a frog jumping, all right? None of these except for this one is probably like over a bus, but you just gotta play around with it, you know what I'm saying? Have fun with it, select different styles. For the sake of this example, let's try a different one. We're gonna do exotic car racing in the desert. We're going to do art, draw. All right. I'm going to wait for that. All right, here we go. We got an exotic car racing in the desert. So let's say that we like this one. We'll click on it and we can upscale it. Upscale means to make it more detailed. Upscale. I'm gonna let it render. All right, it's done rendering. So there you have it. That is the final result. And we're gonna hit this download button next to the X and the heart to download it to computer. And there you have it. As I said before, and there you have it. As I said before, I go by c-trel. I'm a hip hop artist, entrepreneur, creative, and I love to do YouTube videos for you guys. All right, check out my website, check out my music, and check out my YouTube channel. All right, y'all have a good one, and I'll see y'all next time.